Here is a video that I filmed those GNA Vincents yesterday. We filmed the Monongahela Heritage Unit on a intermodal train crossing the bridge at Kenova. Then a second train came the opposite direction, also intermodal. Of course, we staged that from Mate 1 to Kenova. Filmed a decent amount of spots along the way. Of course, the full length video will be up sometime in April. I guess this is a preview of it because it's been a while since I've been in Kenova. I thought about uploading the video of the bridge, well, not where they crossed that little bridge and then went to the tunnel afterwards and Carmich, but I decided to do this one, so I like this video a little bit better, up and crossing the long bridge over Kenova that goes into Ohio. That's an amazing place to welfare. Trains coming both directions at the same time. Nice little intermodal train with the heritage on it. The Mana, there you go. I can't seem to announce it right. I know how it's said, I just can't seem to announce it, but that's a famous railroad line that used to be in the northern West Virginia and across a lot of Pennsylvania. Don't know a whole lot of history about that particular railway line, but it's cool to see the heritage unit on the lead of it, intermodal. Across the bridge. Says this train from Mate 1 West Virginia to Kenova West Virginia with GNA Vincents. We filmed this in a lot of different places along the way. Of course, the full length video won't be up until probably the beginning of April, the first week in April. Well, but I figured I'd show the part here in Kenova. Oh, by the way, if you notice that little gap just now, I did accidentally hit the stop record button.
I accidentally hit the stop record button just now. And there's the other train. It's coming across now. There's a second train crossing. I think it's a manifest. Yep. A second intermodal meet. Never mind, I thought that was a manifest.
Was thinking I'm catching a manifest train, but it turned out to be a second intermodal crossing the bridge. So boy was I wrong. But Kenova, West Virginia is a great place to film and rail fan if you love trains and railroads.
Motor still here. I've on the CSX track today. Well, someone was asking to clear the yard in Bluefield. Huntington, sorry. I think it's something to Huntington asking to permission to leave the arc out in the main. Back towards the car.
Hey. I'd like to point out, if you're a rail fan, Kenova, West Virginia is a great place to go. You got the bridge across Ohio River into Ohio. You got the double main of Norfolk Southern. Then you got the double main of CSX. Maybe. Then you got interstates between three different railroads here: Norfolk Southern, CSX, and Kenova Railroad, which is interesting. Then Norfolk Southern concern has a line that crosses
Nope.
the CSX
Maybe
main
not.
and takes it down to a loadout where they load coal trains. So it's a great place to rail fan, and Kenova Railroad goes into the rail yard here too, so there's a lot of trains here if you time it just right. We got a decent amount while he's here. Never came on the CSX track while we were here.
Cold out here.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Waldo's Trains. Also stay tuned for the full-length video from the trip of us station to Heritage Unit. It will be up in April. I have not sure the exact date I'm going to upload.
Something in the yard, I don't know if they're coming out here or not.
The last two photos at the end of this are from Mate 1, West Virginia, which that video will be up in April. Thanks for watching.